day. Hi, my name is Tina, and I am a farm girl, whatever, and we bought a new piece of property in Florida years ago. Sorry about the hair. And I got the water company out because the water was so bad. It was ruining my pipes, it was ruining my shower head, my hair was really dry, and the unexpected thing was my horses started to lose hair in small clumps. I mean, not huge clumps, but it was falling out, and it wasn't shedding season like it is right now. So I got the water company out. They quoted me almost $5,000 for the system, and then said, oh, sorry, it's not going to get rid of all of your water problems, but it'll soften your water. And so I created a system that will get all of the calcium, the rust, the smell, the bacteria, everything out. And right now I'm having an introductory price of $97 to purchase my course to build this water filter. And the water filter is about $300 in parts. So for less than $500, you'll get a system that will do the job of what I've heard is they're charging now $10,000 and more for a water system. And some of the companies charge you, like, I know somebody that pays $70 a month to have a water filter company come in and service their water filter every month. So save lots of money, enjoy your animals, your health, good water, clean dishes, nice laundry coming out of the washing machine, unclogged shower heads, a water filter that works perfect, a water heater that works perfectly, and you can get all of that for short money if you buy the course Homemade Water Filter, and in the description below or above, whatever Facebook is doing these days, there'll be a link to my website. Thanks so much for watching.